Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we will work on Gravity Farm and we will link the Gravity Farm with Authorize.net. Now first we will upload Gravity Farm plugin. Click on Upload plugin and choose File. This is Gravity Farm plugin and Gravity Farm plugin add-ons. Now click on Gravity Farm and install now. Now plugin is installed and now we will activate the license key. You can purchase the Gravity Farm plugin from website or you can download from the internet. And now go to setting, form setting. I already added my license key here and activate my Gravity Farm plugin. You can add your key, license key and activate your Gravity Farm plugin. If you have license key, then you can install Authorize.net plugin. If you want to link your Gravity Farm with Authorize.net website, then you need a plugin. Gravity Farm has its add-on plugin for this purpose. Now there is two ways to install Gravity Farm add-on plugin, or go to add-ons or install it, or again upload, add new. Click on upload plugin and choose file from your system. This is Gravity Farm add-ons plugin. Now go to others and Gravity Farm Authorize.net plugin add-on of Gravity Farm. Click on it and install now and then activate. Now plugin is activated and go to forms and click on settings. Now we will configure Authorize.net setting. For Authorize.net setting we need API keys from our Authorize.net account. Now we need API login ID and transaction key. If you don't have account, first create account. If you don't have account, click on sign up and create your account. I have already my account, so I will log in, sign in merge accounts. Now login page is open and add your username and password and then click on login. I log in my account and you see my account is approved. When you create new account, then you will wait for account approval. Authorize.net process your application and approve, then you will operate it. Now we need API login ID and transaction key from account, and now click on account setting. Now account setting page is open and you see API credentials and key. Click on it, so you will get API login ID and transaction key from there. Now click on it. Now a page is open and you see API login ID. You can see your ID here and you can copy this API login ID and paste here, and then you want transaction key. You can click on no transaction key. If you have any old transaction key, then click on disable to all transaction key and then click on submit, and you will find your transaction key and paste transaction key here. And if you want automatic recurring billing system, then click on this and update setting. Now I added API login ID and transaction key and click on update setting, and you see setting is saved and updated, and you see my tick icons. So you can see your API login ID and transaction key. Now Gravity Farm add-on plugin linked with your Authorize.net account, and now you can use your Gravity Farm with them and you can use for transaction. In coming video I will create Gravity Farm and link Authorize.net setting with that farm, so you can operate your transaction with that farm, so all payment or transaction goes to your Authorize.net account. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.